The flawless. Ay, bafowethu sesifikile sisingaphakathi rikeni kamohari. Rikeme kamohari singene ngaphakathi. Sanibonani bafethu. Kamo sipho Hadebe. Niyazi ishow yethu Sotho podcast ula uzosithola khona. Bafethu namhlanje ngiphethe isister lami uKarabo. But before Karabo ngicela ningakhuphi bafethu. Social media platforms sikhona Sotho podcast, you'll see them on the screen as we continue to speak to Karabo. Karabo sister like us ekhona istory elifuna ukusitshela sona bafethu ukusixwayisa ngazo. So let us not waste time. Just go to Karabo. Osoka?
Ahea kuti.
Okay, Karabo.
Kiten likai.
Kiten. Osoka?
Yes.
Ushapa. Otherwise?
Ke mnata.
Ke mnata.
Yes.
Karabo. Kukupa fela ka bokhutsanyana. Just give us an introduction of yourself for Romang, Unzokai, or Let's Go Kai. Just for a short one.
Okay. Dumelang. Bashebeli mo hae. My name is Karabo Bitumelo Morwa. I'm from the Val. Babangata ba tseba hore site ya Valerie Kasi. Yes. Kina on. Ko Valley ko Orange Farm.
Okay, cool.
Yes. Yes. Kajeku kitlile mo nana kitlo raise awareness about gallstones and fake traditional healers.
Okay. Very interesting also. So, gallstones and fake traditional healers.
Yes.
Okay, now, can you just tell us let us start with the gallstone part.
Okay.
What is gallstone, as much as you maybe just went through that? What is gallstone? How did it come about that you get gallstone? Yeah, just give us your health perspective and tell us what gallstone before we get to the interesting part of the fake but the traditional healers.
Okay, Abuti. So, the gallstones, it's basically stones. Stones that build up on your gallbladder and they cause pain on your left abdominal going to the back. Yes. From eating unhealthy, from using the contraceptives, and food. It can be caused by coke. It can be caused by Coca-Cola.
Let's see, Puzan.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So it can be caused by that. It can be caused by severe stress. Yes. But it affects Batwabo Mefel.
Oh, so you're safe, Minangale Coke. Okay, cool. So it doesn't affect men?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Gallstones, okay.
Yes. Mainly it affects Batwaseba Hudile above 40. So meaning now I was a high risk because I got them in 2020 and I was only 16 years old. I was doing my grade 11. You can imagine what I went through. Yes.
Okay. So you are talking about not eating healthy.
Yes.
When I was Karabo. So you were not eating healthy?
I was not.
Now, let's go back. If you say itara kilifu tsorang bomme
yes.
and it's sebahudi.
Yes.
So which it started earlier?
It started very early.
So your diet, were you that careless to say it even started at you very early stage?
Hey. Nereza, we would wake up kapapa saying, not eating those cereals. You see, so digestion in a tat. You understand? Sila ikandale a pig head, a kaya. You can imagine Uguti how much fat it contains. Yes.
Like regularly?
Regularly. Sidlinyama, sidla marashene kaya. Angikhumbuli ekhaya bazana amafruit bathi nayi amafruit or asiye sojogani esefamily and ekhaya vele bakhulu so fat nje iyas affecta kule ndaba le. Yes.
So then what are you saying? Are you saying umama na suffered from the same issue?
Yes. I inherited them nakhona kumama. She undergone the same operation I did.
So you even went for your operation.
Yes.
How did it come about?
The operation, it came about zonke lezi zinto sengiphuma laphayana kubomashaya shaya. Yabona? I'm a traditional healer.
Okay.
Yes, but you're coming there and then going to different health faculties. And then that's where they figured out ukuthi nginama gallstones. But after a very long time, sekisutlehile haholo
From 2020 lo khuluma ngayo.
from 2020.
And then ama-gallstones wathola which year?
Ama-gallstones,
Which year?
ama-gallstones discover ngo 2020, but 3 years before I've had this pain. And then ngo 2020, that's when I did my operation. Is it clear? Yes.
No. I understand you. So, Mount, you had these pains. Where did you have the pains? Like bekwenzakala mawuthi yapenela bekuyikhanda bekuyisisu kahle kahle ngicela usichazisele kahle ukuthi bekwenzakalani ngaleso sikhathi.
Eish, I'm even having inhliziyo ebuhlungu to say this
Please.
because bengiba nama pain on my lower abdomen on my left
Abdomen,
side.
isisu.
Yes, isisu.
Isisu bafowethu.
Yes.
Thina isikolo. Sisu abdomen.
Going back emuva ama pain ngizwa ngathi ngugogo man umqolo wami nje awusebenzi. I cannot stand like this or sit like this for a longer time. And this pain would only occur at night, ebusuku, and I wouldn't sit like this or stand in one place. It required me to roll down, and in that process, ngizwa ngiphethwe isisu. You understand? It feels like I wanna help myself a toilet.
Yeah.
Yes, but when I go to the toilet, I cannot help myself. The only way is to lie down and
Release yourself.
release myself kanjalo.
Okay.
Yes, and remember, I'm in pain. I cannot clean the mess up. Now my parents have to dig in kuleyo mess leyo every time, every night. And I would go to a hospital every night, get an injection. Sasekuseni ngigrand yimi lo ngifresh, but still ebusuku vye yaqala. Yes.
Okay. And then wenza njani?
Ngaya lapha emakliniki several times until I was referred to a hospital. Mangifike hospital kulapho bayenza ama test khona. For a longer time bangatholi. Ngiya kuma CT scans, laparoscopic cameras, bangichecka. I had to swallow a biggest pipe I've ever seen. And you are alive. Ne? Abakunambi abakwenzi lutho. You have to swallow it. Just imagine swallowing a pipe. You are alive. The pain, you feel it. But because of ufuna ukuba right, you will do it. I did it. And that's when they discovered this pipe has a camera. If there is a screening, they can see your intestine. Yes. And then that's when they discovered ukuthi that there's actually stones in my stomach. Yes. And then after lapho, bangibukela again. Mabangibukela, bathi ngiyoya e-operation after 3 days. In 3 days may figure, I cannot do an operation. They say my liver is swollen, so they cannot. I had to take antibiotics ukuthi iyehle ukuvuvuka.
Yes.
But surprisingly, ama-antibiotic angenzi ukuthi ngipeyinelwe. And I felt like I just want to die. I felt like I want to commit suicide. Just ukuthi iphele le pain because inele buhlungu kakhulu. And remember, I'm so young to undergo such pain. Yeah.
Okay, sis. So Sis Karabo, you're saying this thing, the strange thing, ukuthi lento yenzeke ebusuku kuphela.
Ebusuku kuphela.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's get to this part ukuthi ama-fake, you call them fake what? Fake traditional doctors.
Yes.
Bangena kanjani esitorini sakho?
So, into le ichumana kanje, kule period le ngipeyinelwa ngayo, angithi ngigijima ema-clinic. So this other time, kusebusuku, I'm trying to reach out for help kumakhelwane. Ngiyafika kulo baba lo, ngiyamtshela baba ngiyapeyinelwa, can you please ungikhaphe ekliniki, I'll give you imali in. He was like, no, we're not going to a clinic. I'm going to take you to this person uzokusiza. I'm like, anything. At that point, angithi ngiyapeyinelwa manje. I'm in pain. I'm like, okay, it's fine. And then we went there. Masifika laphayana, I met a guy, a foreign guy. Esangoma.
Okay.
Yes. Mangifika laphayana, lesangoma lesi sithi siyazi ukuthi ngihlupha yini kahle. Yes, uthi izinto zabantu. Ngiloyiwe in a way. So that's how it gets in now. Lo muntu lona, I'm having hope. I'm like, finally, at least kunomuntu waziyo ukuthi kijuwa kini kahari. Abon, I gave this person permission hore angithusi. You understand? Yes. So this person in this process took a yellow bucket. He boiled water, atele metsi ka mo hara bucket. And then he told me I should put the hot cloth on my stomach.
Yeah.
Yes, where I feel pain. I did the exact thing he instructed. And then after that, he said to me, this is not going to be fun. This will be so painful, but you'll get help. You'll be healed after this. I was like, anything, just do anything. And then now he touches me like this on my stomach. No knife, no nothing. He didn't open me. He pulled my skin like this and I could feel pain. I was left with redness, with a mark here. He pulled out. When he pulled out that thing, it was a horn-shaped thing. Half it was red, half it was white. And he explained to me, ukuthi, this thing, if ingene yonke esisweni sakho, you were gonna die. So it was halfway, hence you see blood on the other side. And I was like, yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. So remember Kaya, I believe kuma traditional healers. Yes, they're so religious. Manje.
So you're the only one who believes in traditional?
No, I don't.
Or even yourself, you don't?
I don't.
Okay.
Kodwa, remember, I want to get help. Anything, I'll do anything ukuthi be right. Yes. So now I'm starting to believe this guy that actually it was this thing engidlayo. You understand? Because I see evidence. Na into iphumile. Yabo? So now mayiphumile kanjena ungipha imithi. Kasuthu re ke mithugo. I must use them ukuthi ngilapheke ngaphakathi. But angikhona ukuya nale mithi ekhaya. Angikhona ukuyiphuza because ngizothi yini endlini kubazali. Where do I take this? Yabona? So I can't take them home, but I became better for like 2 months only. But lento le yaqala futhi. Where I thought ukuthi now I got help. So hence I'm saying, if it was real, kube ngilaphekile kahle.
Yeah, but sisikaraba uthatha prescription. Angithi kunikile ubabkheci. Athi thatha phuzu over, so you didn't.
So ngithathile ngaphuza for a certain period ngiwafihlile in my bedroom. But in a long run ngayeka vele. You understand? So
were you getting better, like?
I was getting better. I was getting better, but I would feel i-pain kancane, but it's not as severe as ekuqaleni. Yes.
So uzange uyiqede i-prescription. Phela nayo i-prescription.
Yes, I
Angithi ngale mithi
understand.
yengamu la i-prescription.
Yes.
Yeah, nanena kusho ukuthi nayo i-prescription.
Yes.
So awuzange uzoziqeda.
Yes.
Okay now. Lo baba lokisela uthini ukuphi is he asking or nivele nagcinana lapho kwaphela?
Mangidlula estradeni uyangibuza ukuthi unjani. And remember this guy was translating. Angithi umuntu ngaphandle lo we-traditional healer. He cannot converse in South African languages. So ngizwa ngalo ukuthi bathi kunento eso ngithi nami ngitshela lo utshela lo. You understand?
Ukhulumani kanti lehecile isingam
Or
lo baba uyawuza language yale?
Uyayizwa le language. Angithi ongisela laphaya. Uyayizwa mina ngizwa lutho. Sengizwa ngayo ukuthi bathi ngikubuza ukuthi so nami nyaphendula. Yena utshela yena.
And umuntu angapha ekhasi lo baba lo kise kule hece.
Yebo.
Okay.
How much did you have to pay for?
I had to pay 1,000 rand. Bit by bit.
Yeah. No, Oscarabo, yeah. So you said you paid 1,000 rand.
Yes.
And then you said you saw it only worked for you in 2 months' time.
Yes.
So, but now, when did you get to a point of saying tires and that this was a scam? When did you discover that?
I discovered this masengula futhi. I'm getting the same pain as before. And now, abazali, they are involved again. Bangisa ema doctor. And then i-doctor nakho sengisalwa ama-pipe. There's evidence ukuthi nayi into causa i-pain. And I actually went to Google. I searched ukuthi what are gallstones. And they explained the very same thing I was feeling the entire years. You understand? Yes, they align exactly. So, and after my operation, kaba right, totally. So there's an evidence from hospital ukuthi bengidliwa yile nto le. Iphumile. Unfortunately, I didn't bring my gallstones here. Yes, but aphumile ngabona ukuthi yiye le nto le ine inja awufela matsatsi.
Okay. So, yes, Karabo, ngifuna ukubuza ngisithando sami. Before we then cast aspersions ukuthi he's fake, would you say because of his situation ukuthi, first of all, you didn't believe in traditional things, second, you didn't finish your prescription yakhona, and like a conclusion yakho yokuthi uhile for 2 months, then knowing ukuthi okokuqala you didn't believe, second, you didn't finish. What made you to get to a point of saying, yes, no, bangathi nsipho lanka ama? What if vele untango yaspa? Angimkhulumeli.
Sure.
I just want to know.
So, during this consultation, he mentioned izinto like ukuthi if I don't go to initiation school, moya abaphansi abangenza ukuthi ngigule kanjena. I have a moving ball inside me nakhona.
Sorry, siskara. Uthi unebhola
ngaphakathi. Elihambayo nje lizoyenza le pain nje my entire life until ngithwasa, until I go to initiation school sebungoma. And he must take me to the bushes sometimes within those months, and I didn't show up, obviously. So now ngilana, I don't have any signs of ukuthi mina kwamele ngithwase or in. Yes, so hence I'm saying some of the things he mentioned, they are not there. I cannot even feel anything moving in my stomach. I don't have any pains.
What about the horn? Don't say na your horn. Bambisanga yona ro. Tie na into yakho ro.
we had to flush the horn ayikhiphile kimi, and which is, I believe ukuthi it was a magic. Ukuthi ubeka ibeke kuphi kuphi, and then he pulled out. How can something come out of your stomach without even cutting me or whatever the case?
So to you nje usho ukuthi ngempela ishaya eceleni lento yakhe.
Aisha eceleni.
Okay, Sis Karabo, ishaya eceleni that, right?
Yebo.
Let's talk about the 2 months.
Okay.
Did you get to a point of believing good to sis again?
Yes.
When there were no pain.
Yes.
So what changes now, the complexion all of a Sunday?
Remember, when you go to these people, they contaminate your mind. You are in a nutshell, you are in the box. You'll actually believe, because some of the things, akutshela zona vele, you would believe ukuthi lo muntu uyazi kanjani ukuthi mina ekhaya kunabantwana bakithi abayi4 abayingakhi. You understand? He would tell you ezinye indaba. You understand? He would even say ngiyabona ukuthi kini ngiphila kanjena. So now when I reverse, I'm like, no, this other guy knows me very well. You understand? Maybe uye omtshelile. Remember, I don't even hear ukuthi bakhuluma ilanguage yiphi. You understand? So hence I'm having doubts. Yes. I fully respect traditional healers. Yes, and anginankinga now, but I'm saying, to my experience, it seems like it didn't work. Bekuwamanga.
So you mean ukhuluma ngalo specific?
Yes, specifically.
Okay.
Yes.
You. Okay. Yeah, Fredzo.
So let's say this thing starts over again.
Mm-hmm.
What would you do? Would you say that guy was right? Or would you still go back to the clinics?
I would still go back to the clinics because the research states ukuthi you'd still have side effects after the operation.
But you said you're eating healthy, right?
Yes.
So how is it not care again if you're eating healthy?
Because of umzimba wami usase kuleyo position leyo. I'm struggling to lose weight because of I cannot take certain medication to help me lose weight because of now I'm no longer the same esisweni. You understand? Yes. So they'll cause certain side effects, and when you actually do a research about this, iyasho nayo ukuthi ungaba nama side effect ukuthi vele ufile the pain again. It might happen. Remember, there are stones, these things, ebazikhiphe esibhedlela. One stone maybe siphumile during the process, sahlala kuphi kuphi, and then it built up after years khane ngizobona. So I'd still go medical way. Yes.
So you're talking about side effects,
Yes.
right? What are the side effects that you have encountered?
So far, I'm experiencing ukuthi when I eat after 12, it's an automatic laxative. Ngiyakhuda, ngiyathola. I go to toilet regularly. So I must always have pills as stopper runny stomach, always.
Every day.
Every day if I were to eat after 12. And remember ngumuntu, sometimes ngiya esipanini or esikolweni isikhathi singishayile or ugesi bowungekho, I can't cook. I have to wait until certain time and cook. Or I'm not even feeling hungry. I want to eat around 11, 12, but I cannot because if I do that, ngijime toilet.
Sikhuluma ngo-12 fani nowasebusuku or wasekuseni?
Wasemini, 6, 12 nje.
So meaning wena idina yakho iphelela ngo-12, which is your lunch. In other words.
No, if I were to eat breakfast ngo-12, start my day ngo-12 p.m. inkinga. Ngiyakhuda the whole day. Yes.
Wow.
So that number one side effect, and I'm always bloated. Ukuthi ngifuna ukurelease the air time to time. Yes, because of removal of gallstones. Yes, so I'd very much advise people to eat healthy, to take care of themselves, nabantwana babo. Yes.
Manje Karabo, you talked about ukungadli grand, the issue of obesity. So on your side, jogging wise, going to the gym, local gyms, why are you not engaging yourself into that?
Right now, I am. Right now, I am engaging in that. Right now, I am eating clean. I'm even putting it on social media. My journey yokuthi ngiyajima manje. You understand? Ukuze ngibe healthy. Angisafuni encounter such situation again. That was the most painful thing I've experienced. Yes.
So the side effects are still there.
Yes.
Sinale nkinga lena ukuthi mase kubo dokotela mabangabona inkinga, then it's normally into zabantu.
Yes.
So don't you think because unale simo lesukuthi manje nawe na Karabo, so 12 o'clock this awucabanga ukuthi ivar lento lebaba la ikhona?
Hi. Angeke.
Yeah.
Angeke. Akusiva because iGoogle iyasho njengoba ngisho ukuthi I did my research because now I'm in this situation. I understand. So I did my research and the research aligns with what I'm experiencing right now. Yes. So isilungu siyaprove ukuthi vele lento le ikanje. Yes.
Isintu iyayiphilisa yonke lento le.
Ibola liphi esisweni?
Ipola.
So you're just saying at this point in time, does this make you not believe in all sangomas or?
I'm very much skeptical. Kuma traditional healers. Reason being is that situation engiphuma kuso. Yes, ayisivelelanga nje, but sengiyasaba, angisabelieve kahle. Yes.
So kunama-viewers wethu, sinama-viewers apha yona Karabo. If one had to challenge you,
Yes.
athi say for instance,
Yes.
ube nebhadi, uthola umuntu okuwukuthi mhlampe bekaqala or akawazi umsebenzi or maybe unamanga, and then you find one of our viewers athi mina ngiyihice emampela, would you take that risk?
Advise someone to.
Maybe
No.
you wouldn't.
I wouldn't because remember this traditional healer thing, to me, anginabo ubufakazi obugqwele ukuthi lo wamampela, lo, it's just from them saying me, I'm legit. You understand? So where's the proof ukuthi vele wena sharp? You understand? You are legit. So I'm very much skeptical and I wouldn't do it or advise anyone.
So did the doctor that did the operation prove to you that he's a legit doctor?
I highly believe that.
No, what I'm asking is, did he prove or did she prove to you?
Yes.
How did they prove it to you?
They proved me ngokuthi balethi evidence align ne research ephuma ku Google.
Yeah, so proof, Kopafela, just to give me the proof to say, you know what, when I say proof, is did he say, I am your doctor, but I'm going to prove it to you that I'm legit? Did they do that?
No.
Okay. So how do you then justify to say just because, and then you say law is for case, and then law because wamdong or a slung, right?
Having a profession doesn't come only ukuthi today I want to be a presenter. Today I want to be a doctor or an engineer. Ngiyosebenza laphaya. You have to study for it and actually go uyofuna umsebenzi for yona. Go undergo interviews and other things, practicals, which comes to effect that you cannot be operating me without legit papers. Remember, Mause Spedlela as a doctor, those are your personal details where you will say, I am a real doctor. This is my name. This is my ID number to prove to me. You've proven to the HR already ukuthi wena bakuqashe kanjani if you are not legit.
Yeah, bayazithenga sisikarabo.
Bayazithenga.
Yeah,
To me, I'm healthy today. Ngiright, ngiyaphila, angisanayo leya pain leyana ebuhlungu because of that person. So I highly believe that my doctor was legit.
Was legit.
Yes.
So even if they didn't prove tangibly bakunikeza
Yes.
certificates ukuthi ngempela bafuna,
Yes.
you went and verified to that whatever level. So when you just believe with
I do.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Right. Sisikarabo, so at the end of the day, you are saying for you, skeptical.
I am.
Okay. So abantu abakholelwa ebantwini besintu, what do you want to say to them?
To them, I highly respect their belief. And their belief might come from the experience nabo ababeniliyona before, you understand? To say, mina ye yangisebenzela this route ye traditional healing or dingaka, you understand? So, ngathi kubo, they must be aware though, ukuthi abantu laba sometimes abekho right, they're not real. They might be informed ngawe, and then you feel like, no, this is actually the truth about my life, and then you end up believing ukuthi vele vele lo muntu uyazi ngempilo yami and he will help me. You understand? So I would just say, just be aware endleleni yakho yokubelieve kubo. Just be aware. Yes, but I fully respect. Yes.
Yeah, Sisikarabo, no, man. It's very interesting. Very interesting. Yeah. So, but yeah, nonetheless, we respect your view. So,
Okay.
from your experience,
Yes.
clearly it didn't work for you.
Yes, it didn't.
So the system that you tried to suspect is the one that helped you. What is important, is that you are healthy today.
Yes.
You're on your journey of your exercising and
Yes.
eating healthy outside the scope of
Lord.
you know, so which is what we were grateful for. And showing and then usase in
Yes.
so siyabonga for that, Oscarabo. So yeah, kubeka ke siso uyibambe njalo. And I like the fact that you said you respect the choice of movement, which is far more important.
Highly.
Far more.
Yes.
Right. Thank you, Oscarabo.
Ngiyabonga.
Bafethu. Yeah. Ngizwile Oscarabo ukhuluma ada isikopho sengulube kakhulu. Angazi. Mariskopo sengulu usidlile murto hutu ni biki. Yeah, asishe lapho bafethu siyabonga. Sipho hade. Yeah. No, ke so the podcast bafethu. Aredlale ikopo realisha. Yeah. Don't forget, follow us on our social media platforms and you like, comment and you subscribe. Rale kopa tsetse. Bafethu rale rate. Ngakhohle bafethu. Stay tuned for our next show. Coming up next time. Ayoba bafethu. Amen.